Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to complete Candy Crush level 100. This level requires you to clear all 128 jelly squares on the board. You'll face chocolate spawners that continuously produce chocolate, which can quickly cover the board. Your primary goal is to manage and eliminate this chocolate while simultaneously making matches to clear the jelly. Pay close attention to the entire board to plan your moves effectively. Special candies are your best friends on level 100. A striped candy clears an entire row or column, while a wrapped candy explodes in a 3x3 area. Combining two striped candies clears both a row and a column. For a massive impact, pair a wrapped candy with a striped candy for a double explosion. The ultimate combo is a color bomb with a striped candy, clearing all candies of that color and a row or column. Effective board management is crucial for success. Always try to make matches at the bottom of the board, as this can trigger cascades and create more special candies. Prioritize clearing the chocolate as soon as it appears, preventing it from overwhelming the board. Look for opportunities to create 4 or 5 candy matches to generate powerful special candies. Strategically save your most potent combinations for clearing stubborn jelly squares. To conquer level 100, patience is key. Take your time to analyze the board before each move, looking for the best possible outcome. Sometimes, a seemingly small match can set up a much larger combination. Don't hesitate to restart the level if your opening moves don't provide a strong advantage. With consistent practice and smart planning, you'll develop the skills needed to clear all 128 jelly squares and achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.